Mike, what would you like to buy today?
We have cucumbers on sale. I would like to buy 2 cucumbers.
Do you want a banana too?
Or would you prefer strawberries? I'm meeting Bella, Roman and Selma. How many bananas do I need? 3?
Hi Mike, I hear you don't know all the numbers yet.
Some are easy for me, some are a little hard, but I try to practice every day.
Come on, I show you 4.
I like to count.
4 apples, 4 strawberries, 4 plums, 4 pears, 4 alligators, 4 chickens.
Whoop, there are alligators! Whoop, run away! Hurry!
Now I'll show you how to write the 4. Start at the top with a diagonal line down, then a horizontal line, then up again and a straight line down. That's the 4. Now have fun practicing.
Thank you, Gigi Giraffe, for teaching me the 4. 4 chickens and 4 alligators. No animal, but a hero.